guys, I'm back again with new videos. Let's go! Two things really bothering me this week. One, people who smack their lips or mouth while eating. That weird click noise when they open their mouth. Relatable. That's relatable. When they make those chewing noise. When their mouth is full and they chew while they speak, it's annoying. It's really annoying. People should stop doing that. It's like punching them in the face. This is why I like eating by myself with headphones on. I can barely stand my own eating sounds, let alone someone else's. I felt this. Things like crunching drive me crazy too, but sometimes I'm not eating at the same as others, so I have to hear the smack and crunch. I also have someone who looks at everyone like a dog, protecting his food when he eats. Okay, that's painful. Well, looks like I found my people. Curious how many of the people watching this right now get annoyed as well by the eating sounds. If you are or not, comment down below and let me know. If you got this far, you might as well consider subscribing. It's totally free, you can subscribe anytime you